One of the main components of most engines is going to be a piston, and I met up with Stevenson from JE Pistons to talk to me about some of their newer products. How's it going?
Great, thanks Jessica. We got one new product in our SRP line for this year, and two in the JE line. The first one I'll talk about is in our SRP Professional line. There's a series out there in Circle Track called the 305 Sprint Car Series. They've got a very set of rules, and so what we wanted to do was come up with something that we could apply our latest technology to, something that is going to be very lightweight but still durable, and still at a reasonable cost point like we have with the rest of the SRP line.
All right, so what did you guys do different with this piston?
This is actually a clean sheet design. We really didn't have much for those 305 Sprint cars prior. The old things that we had were just very heavy and very outdated. So with the demands of that series and it getting more and more popular, we decided we wanted to just have a clean sheet design and go after that exact set of rules package and design something strictly for that particular engine.
Perfect. And you guys don't only do sprint car market, you guys also do drag racing and other vehicles. Talk to me about some of the other pistons under the JE line.
Yeah, the other two that we're really excited about is, Pro Mod and like ADRL and NHRA is getting very, very popular. And so what's happening is the blocks that everybody's using are getting bigger and bigger. So we needed to come out with a forging that would keep up with the new bore sizes. So we have a new one called a 777F, and this is our new Pro Mod piston. And it's specifically made for the nitrous and really heavy boost that you see in Pro Mod. And it'll go up to a maximum bore size of 5080. And that's available for purchase right now, as a matter of fact.
All right, so obviously these guys are making tons of power and they're running these motors on edge. What did you guys do to, help expand the life expectancy of these motors?
We turned that over to our crack engineering team. We've got some guys that are real gearheads. They really understand engines. They really understand the tremendous cylinder pressures and the tremendous RPMs those guys are running. And so they made sure to go in and put the right material in the right place, but at the same time, we removed it from non-critical areas so that the overall weight of the part should be very, very competitive.
Perfect. And then also, you guys have developed a billet product, right? Talk to me.
Yeah, the top of the line, absolutely right now that we have is the billet Pro Stock piston. That market is always changing and always evolving. The engine builders always seem to be going different directions. So we tried to make a forging that would work, but there's different head types and people were changing their mind. So we said, you know what, a forging's just not going to work. Let's just step it up and we'll design a purpose-built machined from solid piston, strictly for the Pro Stock market.
Well, tell me the advantages of going billet.
Yeah, the thing about the billet is that it allows for almost what you call rapid prototyping. If one engine builder is doing something different with his valve placements or valve depths, that means we can go in on the underside of the piston and we can optimize the underside of the piston for what it looks like on the top side of the piston. And that way you get no excess weight. It's completely optimized for that particular engine and that particular builder's needs.
Awesome. Well, it looks like JE Pistons and SRP are coming up with all sorts of new and exciting products that you guys can check out for yourself at www.jepistons.com.